There's a car coming. I'm moving up. It's called showing the car. This car came across my face. Now I make my turn, blinker on, so you can't come from my head. And I'm going out slow, gradually. Then I'm going to keep moving. And I'm looking. Now, Brooklyn would have to reach forward, and then all of us, I'm showing you what we do. We look to the right. I'm looking to the right. And if I'm looking to the right so I don't hit the curb. I see the double yellow, and then I see the line. So this would fatigue Brooklyn really easily. So I don't want to overload her, but she's got to show me mastery of steering maneuvers. She doesn't do hand over hand. She's not doing 8 and 4 or 9 and 3. She's doing a spinner knob. I want to be clear on this, okay? And I'm checking traffic, yielding. So there's a lot of moving parts here. Brooklyn can't make sharp turns. I have to tell her early. Okay, we're going to go around again, because the more you go around here, the more you learn. And Brooklyn, the first couple of times, she'll be overwhelmed. The third time, she'll start to understand. The fourth time, she'll understand more. But pedestrians are inconsistent. Okay, like this lady grabbed her daughter because kids don't know better. Brooklyn is not a kid. She is 21. She's going to be going back to college in mid-August. We're shooting for the second week in August, and I'm looking left, looking right. So Brooklyn will look very slow to the left, very slow. Like she's tired. She would look. That's how Brooklyn would look. Okay? And we take looking left and right for nothing. And I'm turning out. And it's a full moon, my baby. Oh, right? You know I'm crazy. But she is getting better. And then her mom and dad are the final judges, right? And I've been through this too. She lives with her parents, right? She won't be living with her parents here, but she's got to be able-bodied. She doesn't. I'm looking left and right. And if you just watch when someone drives, and Brooklyn said, "Mom, you tailgate, leave room." I've been driving Mr. Miles. So, and I said, "Mom and Dad, she's been watching you since she's been 0, right? Because parents, you are the." I'm gonna squeeze the brake and slow down. And stop. I'm going to show you this. And Brooklyn has this hand control that kind of jerks. I'm going to go around this course again. You have to experience it. And when I drive her car, you're going to see the experience where we have a hand control on the left and a spinner knob on the steering wheel at the between the 10 and 11 o'clock position. I'm going to come up to the edge, and Brooklyn would do this, but sometimes her car surges like this, and it's kind of scary. Like, are you gonna stop? And then, yeah, I'm gonna stop, right? And then we are looking like this car does not have a blinker on. I'm confused. What is this car doing? This will confuse me. No freaking blinker. What are you doing? Okay, that's how important a blinker is. What are they doing? Okay, and I'm scanning. Now, Brooklyn hasn't driven at night either. I don't know how her night vision is. There's so many moving parts to this. Like I'm scanning left and right. I see a little girl skipping and hopping, turning on my blinker, and I'm scanning. And we're going to take Brooklyn. Either Brooklyn is really wide to the left or wide to the right. I have her medical report. And I have to become a physical therapist, an occupational therapist, to understand how she moves. Now, I'm going to make a left turn here. And then in Brooklyn, she would have a spinner knob. Either she's really wide, almost sideswiping the white minivan, or she's really tight. Okay? Now, let's review about Brooklyn's journey. And I'm being honest when I asked her mother this. Okay? I asked her mother, do you have to intervene when she drives? She said, no. A mom is not going to lie. Number 2, does she disobey regulatory standards and signals? Her mom said no. I'm like, good. Speeding 10 or over limit, her mom said no. But in the beginning, she was 20 over or 10 under.